Hello guys, welcome to Pivot Traders. You're watching me on this channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, hit the subscribe button. Tomorrow's expiry would be fascinating in a sense that the kind of close drive which we saw today would be very interesting to watch tomorrow. We had this candle here and which was very much decisive, and we had this reversal candle after which the market tried to take some support on the red line. So red line becomes our price action line, which is important for tomorrow. Now we have two black lines here at 35,000 and on the lower front around 34,300. Now these two black lines denote that around this price vicinity there has been maximum trade by big institutions, and these levels bore some importance for the price action, and that's how I have marked it on the black color. And we have some plan for tomorrow, but before that, when we have to verify our black lines, we can verify it with the option chain right now. So we have 35,000 on the upper front and 34,300 on the lower front. Now if we see on the option chain here, okay, what we see here is that 35,000 remains to be a good resistance point, and you can see that the maximum OI writing has taken place around this level, and on the put side you see that 34,000 bears the maximum put writing. Now between these two there has been a story where we see that a maximum call addition seems to be has taken place around 34,500. But if we dissect this level, if we dissect the 34,500 story and try to know what has happened over the day, then we see something more interesting. So let me just load it quick. So we go to 34,500 here. Now on 34,500, if we see here that the maximum addition spiked till 659 percentage point, and at the end of the day it fell by 200 percentage point and to 420 percentage increase. Now this tells us a story that though there was an increase till 12 o'clock, but after that there was decline in the call writing on this 34,500 front. So 34,500 might be converted into selling 34,500 puts, and it might expire worthless if the conditions in the market which was prevailing during the last few hours would continue to sustain in the morning until 12 o'clock. So what would be the plan for tomorrow? So our plan would be simple, that we will expect that the market should revolve around something like this, and 34,700 could be a good straddle point to short, where the premiums are good and the VIX has also increased, which has also spiked the premium levels. So we can expect that the market can be rotating around 34,700 and we can mint some money around it. Now on the second line which we see here is that the 34,500 can be a worthless point for the put side. 34,500 PE shorting can be a good opportunity for us, and we can expect a straddle of 34,500 to 35,000 on the call side can be a good possibility to trade. Now we can also expect that in the event of a gap down opening, the price can take some support around the black line and try to spend some time here, and then in the later afternoon can take some upside move, but nevertheless it would be bearish in nature if there is a gap down opening. Now the second possibility is that in the event of a gap up opening, we can expect that the market would try to fill some gap here, but eventually it will take an upside move and can show some kind of volatility in the last few hours, because it is being an monthly expiry day. Now in the thirdly and the final possibility of here, in the event of a flat opening, we can expect that the momentum which was achieved during the last few hours of the market can be maintained and sustained throughout the day till tomorrow. So that is the third possibility here. So these three possibilities are the blueprint which shows on the kind of opening we get for tomorrow. So that is what the expiry plan is, and the link to the trading view published idea is in the description box. You can check the data points around it. So thank you so much for joining in. Have a great day.